Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Hey, Santa, yes, I got it. I'll be there in a minute. Hold on, we're dealing with something with the whole sleigh and all kinds of stuff. Give me a couple minutes, guys. Santa, yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'll be out there in a minute. Yeah, don't forget your hat. All right, guys. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Another amazing day in my kitchen. Obviously, we got the theme of holidays, Christmas, all kinds of fun. There's something going around on the internet. It was so much fun. We wanted to do it for you guys. That's that snow globe cocktail. It's easy, it's simple. You can put anything in there. So a lot of times when you guys reach out to me, you'll say to me, "Hey Joe, can I do it non-alcoholic?" So you can do a Pellegrino with this, or you can do a Prosecco, you can do a Negroni, you can do whatever you want in this, but it's real simple. You're gonna need a stemless wine glass. Some a little thicker, we're gonna throw that in the freezer. Cranberries are great. You want these frozen, ideally, or a little bit cooler. They're a little firmer. And then you're gonna have rosemary. That's gonna be our little tree. And then you're gonna have some tape. I've seen it done with string. I've seen it with tape. Tape was really simple. It was really easy for us. These are great if you make them ahead of time, so that if you're having a party, a cocktail party, having some people over, they're just a great little accent, something fun to do. So you make them, you throw them in the freezer a day or two ahead. Everybody comes and everybody gets a glass. Simple peasy, guys. You're just gonna take a handful of these. You're gonna put them in the bottom. Now you could put so many in there that you don't even need to tape these in if you want. I don't like that many cranberries in there, so I put in a good 5 to 6, 8 cranberries. There you go. And then you just put those right in the bottom of your glass. You're gonna get a piece of rosemary, and then you're gonna put it right in the middle like this, okay? So what I found is if you take a piece of tape, relatively long, and then what I do is I just fold it in half like this. I take the tree, and then I just do a little fold over with the tape. That's it. Then what I do is I take it here, and then I put it down, and then I'm gonna put one just like that. I do one just like that. So there you go. Now I'm gonna take a glass of water, and I'm gonna put it right inside the glass. And I put it in just so those cranberries are floating up a little bit, maybe not even that much. There you go. Make sure your tree stays in the center. Throw this in the freezer for a couple hours. Friends come walking in, pull them out, you start making drinks, everyone's having a good time. Before I head to the North Pole and get this frozen, we need to subscribe to the channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button wherever it is down there. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. Anything we got going on the farm, anything we got going on in our blogs, new recipes, it'll come right to your notification box. Certainly be a lot of fun to have you part of the Cooking Italian with Joe family. Guys, you probably noticed our Mackenzie Child. These things are great. They've got so many different products, phenomenal for the holiday or all year long. So just click the link down below, affiliate link. Anything you buy through our affiliates goes right to help support the channel. Certainly, I always appreciate your support. Okay, now off to the North Pole. Whew, that was quick. Guys, listen, I just got back from the North Pole. Everything's frozen. They actually look really clear in the freezer, but once you bring them in, you start to get that frost, that condensation. All right, so these puppies are ready to go, and I'm just gonna show you how to prep them, and then we'll start making some drinks. So just pull your tape off. First off, we've got non-alcoholic Pellegrino, and the rosemary is gonna give you some beautiful flavor. And guys, you can take a look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, it is Christmas. It is such a great idea. It's so cute and fun. And again, you're gonna get a little bit of cranberry effervescence, and you're gonna get a little bit of the essence of the rosemary. So it's always gonna add a nice little extra flavor to the drink. That is absolutely delicious. And you do get a little rosemary, it's fantastic. Guys, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with Pellegrino, you know what I mean? Even Comet or Cupid, a few of the reindeers I'm working with this week, you know, they like Pellegrino too. You're working up a sweat, you're dehydrated, you wanna get this party started, you got a couple of the greatest sounds in the world ever to listen to. One of them is the sound of a champagne bottle cork popping. Oh, there you go. Oh, I love that. I love that effervescence, that, oh yeah, that fermented smell. All right, so our last one here, we've got a Prosecco. So like I said, you can put anything you want in here. We're gonna do a Prosecco. Now call me crazy, but I'm known for a heavy pour. How great is that, guys? Especially for the holidays, right? One of my favorites of all time is a Prosecco. I mean, it's good in the morning, it's good in the afternoon, it's good at night, it's good at midnight, it's good if you woke up late at night. Prosecco always screams, it screams Italy, it screams celebration. It's an aroma, it's a flavor you always have when it's fun. Guys, that's our snow globe cocktail. Isn't that fantastic? I didn't come up with it, but I know an Italian did because it's such a freaking great idea. There's no doubt about it. Guys, Guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today. Hopefully you had a lot of fun. Remember, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. And one of the main reasons we do these videos, guys, is to give you the incentive to get around the table with your family and friends, celebrate your heritage, whatever it may be. Even more important than that, around the holidays, you get around that table, you're gonna set traditions of love. They're gonna last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey guys, from My Kitchen Years, until next week, mwah, buon appetito.